About them apples, baby. Hey, it's me again. Sup? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl, Mika Lynn. Let's just jump right into this, baby. Our besties at HerGivenHair were kind enough to send out not one, but 2 units, baby, for a little game of hide and go dupe. So they were kind enough to send me not just a $400 unit, baby, but we are doing a more affordable option as well. Now this first one is the infamous Something About Mary unit. I'm seeing this as kind of like my internet redemption. I did style this unit like a couple of years back, and baby steps. We weren't quite there yet. We are doing a comparison, baby. HerGivenHair did come out with another line called Wings by HerGivenHair. This is a more affordable collection of their units, just on a less bougie scale, if you will. And of course, you know your girl, I'm no stranger to this collection. I was first introduced to the Wings collection last year, and they were kind enough to send me a Kinky straight unit, and baby, let me tell you, the hairline alone did it for me. Super natural out of the pack, bleached knots, hairline pre-plucked to perfection, and most importantly, this lace was brown girl friendly. All of this for under $200. Get into it. Being my usual frugal self, I sashayed down to Target and I picked up the new collection by Taraji P. Henson. I am looking to put this to the test, baby. So I'm hoping, yes, here it comes, that we have another winner chicken dinner. Just a quick breakdown, first impressions, final thoughts on the products that I did use. Co-wash bomb, suds up like a soap, but baby, the moisture was like instant as soon as I washed this unit. And the leave-in conditioner, just as nice, baby. Oh my God, the comb literally just slid through the hair. The twisting cream was a surprise, okay? Now, this goes on like a cream. I really kind of had my hesitations, didn't think it was gonna hold, and baby, the hold is nice, okay? Now, as far as the twist out, I did do a 3-strand braid at the root, and then I twisted the ends, so that way, when I did split it up, I wouldn't get as much frizz. And then, as you saw, I did go through with my wide tooth comb, black girl necessity, and I just really kind of teased the roots, and then I went down to the ends just to make it a little bit more full. Oh my God. How is the weather where you're at? Because baby, I'm a little toasty, so I'm gonna go ahead and take my robe off. But baby, can we get into this twist out? Do you see this twist out, baby? I did let this sit literally for 2 days to dry. This is a lot of hair on both units. I got a little bit of a like white cast off at the bottom. I'm not too concerned. Little dab of oil. Girl, we gonna be good today.
There's a meeting in my bed, in my bed. There's a meeting in my bed, in my bed. There's a meeting in my bed, my bed. There's a meeting in my bed, in my bed.
Dinner for two, that's me and you, that's very simple. Dinner removed, okay, we do, but I ain't finished yet. Can I slide with you? Spend the night with you. Just let me write, and it you dripping from my signature. I feel like your body inspired my intentions. We left the squad hanging, it's only time with us. You know I vibe different, cause you know my mind different. Her eyes say in my room, her body saying heaven, no vibe.
Tell me what you want, I go repeat. Tell me what you need, I go deep, deep. When I fall in love, I go deep, deep. You could copy that like it's easy. You look like you need proper. Come get this vitamin D power. Be ready to touch when I reach it. I go eat it up, I know weekend. I make that thing go wilder. I go make that thing run water. I go make you sing my song. There's a meeting in my bed, in my bed. There's a meeting
I do
in
like
my
my
bed.
a little bit more on the frizzy side, more of like a live-in look, if you will. So this right here, wow. I did use a little bit of leave out here. Of course, you're not going to get a lot of room on the sides. I do have a medium size cap, so slay accordingly, sis. You want to do the large? Do you, boo. Give or take, I prefer the unit to lay flat, and I can go ahead and blend in my edges, no problem. So baby, hello. The fact that I was sitting here with no earrings on tells you all you need to know. I think these came out gorgeous, baby. Now when it comes to the units, baby, y'all already know which one was which, but I'm gonna go ahead and let you know. So the first one is clocking in at, and the second one, this one, baby, is clocking in at, about them apples, baby. The styles came out just as I planned. The cap fit is very comfortable, light as a feather, does not even feel like I have a unit on. This one is more of like a full cap wig. I am wearing it kind of like a half wig. So I do have my edges out right here. And then of course I do have my hair out right here. But can we talk? Can we talk about the blend first? Can we talk about the blend for a second? Baby. Yeah, so the expensive and both the dupe are, you're good to go either way you go. So I really have no complaints because, baby, I'm feeling these twist outs. Damn it, I am feeling these twist outs. So if you are interested in checking out the information for HerGivenHair or Wings by HerGivenHair, I will have a direct link in the description box down below. But thank you to them for sponsoring your girl once again. But most importantly, big thank you to all of you for tuning in. Definitely appreciate it. Y'all know what to do. Hit that subscribe button down below, ring the bell, get all post notifications, and most importantly, drop your girl a comment down below. Take care of yourself, ladies. Keep wearing it with confidence, and I'll talk to you all in the next one.